All right, welcome back. Today we're looking at a property in West Ajijic, and this one, if you're looking for a little bit of Mexican charm, which I feel like everybody's looking for that, this one has got it. It's not in your face like, you know, everywhere, but it's like a modern with Mexican charm, and it's nice. And the gated community that it's in is beautiful, and the community pool community area is very nice as well. You can tell that they take very good care of it. And so before we get started, I need to tell you about our bed and breakfast and our cafe located in Ajijic Centro. And the cafe is open every day to the public, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And the bed and breakfast is walkable to everything. The cafe and the bed and breakfast are kind of attached to each other. So yeah, and our rooms come with streaming TVs, safes, refrigerators, reverse osmosis water, new mattresses, ensuite bathrooms. What else do we have? Refrigerators, microwaves, nice size closets. So if you want to pack a whole bunch of things when you come down to visit, you could totally do that if you want to. And both businesses won Best of Lake Chapala for the last 3 years for best coffee and best B&B. And the B&B comes with daily housekeeping and a daily hot breakfast. And if you want more information on those, if you want to come stay with us when you come down, and we have incentives for people who purchase with us or sell with us, so just ask me about that. You can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you will find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and our local MLS, chapalamls.net. And you can also go to the contact form on my website if you'd like to start a dialogue with me about buying or selling homes, and just fill that information out, hit send, and it goes straight to my email, so we can start off chatting that way. And then I'm sure we can pass our digits to each other, you know, and then we can talk that way. So anyway, let's go check out this property. This home is listed for $325,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, all on one level. Construction size is 159 square meters or 1,711 square feet. The lot size is 252 square meters or 2,709 square feet. The HOA is 2,200 pesos per month. It comes furnished, and it's located in West Ajijic. All right, guys, here's the gated community we are checking out today. It is just right here, just like an S, like an L, like a R, lowercase r, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so this is where you come in to get into the gated community here. This is the carretera, the main highway. You've got a coffee shop right here, a vivero, which is a plant nursery. Oxo's right here. That's convenient. Mariscos Peter, excellent seafood. Senaduria Memos. Yeah, authentic like Mexican food, pozole, sopes, things like that. Very delicious. What else do we have here? Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at this gated community. The house specifically is this one right here. So as soon as you come in the gate, you're going to turn left and it's right here. And the entire gated community is all of this. And your clubhouse is right here. Look at all those solar panels they have. Excellent. And the pool is very nice, very clean, very well kept, as you saw in the video. So let's check out the whole area. This is West Ajijic here. You have La Reserva is right here. And this right outside of La Reserva, which is a gated community in this area, is Panchos. So in the video that I posted yesterday, we were talking about the Panchos in Riberas. This one is the one in West Ajijic. So all of your shopping most likely would come from there, and it's just a hop and a skip over. I would also say that your emergency services will most likely come from Ajijic and San Antonio, because this is still considered the municipality of Chapala. So all of your emergency services and your bomberos and all of that, they're going to come from this direction. And yeah, Ajijic's not too far either. And like I've said in previous videos, there is a bike path that goes along this entire highway from Chapala all the way to Joco. This area through here would be a beautiful bike ride. But if you wanted to just kind of ride your bike into Ajijic, that's definitely an option there. Most of this area of West Ajijic is going to be gated communities, but there are a lot more businesses that are opening throughout here, like Pasta 30 used to be in Ajijic Centro, and now they're here in West Ajijic. So you've got excellent food options in West Ajijic because it's, there's more development happening here. So it's newer infrastructure throughout this area. Casa Linda is excellent. So yeah, it's a little quieter, the traffic through here. And you're starting to get more options through West Ajijic, which when I first came here 8 years ago wasn't really the case. It was kind of quiet through there, but you got some things happening in West Ajijic. To get from this house to Ajijic Centro is a 7-minute drive. To get from this house to Monte Cosala Spa in the Racket Club in San Juan Cosala, which is well known for its geothermal water, how long would it take? 12 minutes to drive there. And that's a beautiful place and really cool thing to do if you're visiting here or if you live here. To get from this house to Centro Laguna Mall, which has an HSBC bank, it has a movie theater, it has a food court, has a cell phone store, has a athletic clothing store, is a 10-minute drive. So did I say movie theater? Yeah, there's a movie theater in there and a little baby casino in there too. And to get from this house to Guadalajara International Airport is a 53-minute drive. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some insight. I hope it gives you an idea of what's on the market in this area. I hope this channel helps you overall in general. And if you want to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.